Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you about the video to draw the Risa 3D structure and to the analysis of steel metal building actually. So this is our project statement. Here you can see we're going to have a building with the dimension of 150 by 66 by 30 feet. Actually there is two floor. Uh, it's written here. The front office will be the two-story structure, and while the garage is one. I will show you the plan of the structure actually, and it has been the most important thing you need to remember here is the dead load of 10 pound per square foot, roof live load of 20, and then the wind speed of 115 mph, and we still have the ground snow load that is in the Fargo actually. So we have these loads here, and you have to apply based on the IS specification, and you need to remember about the story of the building. One is one and one is two. There are two joint buildings. So if you go down here in the statement, actually, this is the perspective view of our building that we are going to draw and do analysis. This is from another angle, and this is the interior structure where you can see the orientation of the column, beams, and girders here. So if you go more down here, this is the plan that we have before drawing our 3D structure from the architectural company. We can get this one. Now this is the plan view. You can see this is the actually that office building they said there. This is two-story part here you can see, and this whole building part, the background back part is this is actually the garage. So this is for the hangar. So plane will enter from here, airplane will enter from this side, and then the workshop is here, and these are the office buildings. So if you zoom here more into this document, you can see the structures given here. This is the column, and there are other I columns here it's given. And so like based on this one, we are going to have to join this columns to transfer the load through the column to the ground. We are going to have beams and girders to support them. So I'm going to start from the Risa 3D to draw the whole structure and to do the analysis on that. Uh, okay, this is the plan that we have. So let's start from the Risa 3D and do step by step over there. I have opened the Risa 3D already. When you open the Risa 3D, it looks like this one. So first, this is the very complex grid structure. So you can change that one up to your desire or up to your requirement on your structure. Here, when the at the first when the Risa 3D opens, this is each grid are 1 feet distance. So you can just click on our document here, and we can see the height of the building. This is the plan view actually. So height of the building is given as 30 feet in your statement over here at the top. You can see yeah, it is 30 feet. So for the garage, the whole the single story, so this whole building is 30 feet, but in this case it has been divided into two story into 15 feet. And you can see here this is totally 66, and up to here is 22, and still this one is divided at the front into the 11 feet. So we are going to divide this grid in Risa 3D into based on that one. So here you can see an icon with the pencil. It says like modify the design grid, so click on that one. Here I'm gonna show you again the structure here. uh, you can do in any way, but the easiest method here is like this is going to be front view, and the height of the building, this is like perpendicular to the paper, uh, that is going to be our y-axis, and the whole this longitudinal axis is going to be g-axis. So we have three grids here actually. So 66, this is up to here is 44, and if it has been divided here, so I'm going to divide into the three part. One is this up from here to here, another one is to here, and the last one is here. So 44, 11, and 11. So let's go and divide here. This is x-axis, so one is span at 44, and two more span at, you can just use the comma over there, two more span at 11, right? And for y-axis, we already know that there are two story, and each one is 15. So if you when you do this one, just click on OK. Your grid will be changed up to look like this one. So this is our x y axis of the building. So Before drawing any structure, we need to assign the section set for that one, like this is still structure. So go to the spreadsheet over here at the menu bar and go to click on the section set. You'll get this kind of table. Here we are going to assign the different sections. Let me show you again the project statement. When you see the project statement, like this column need to be a little bit stronger, it looks like, because it has a very big surface to the load, and this column can be little bit small as compared to those, and the the girder connecting this long span should be a little bit long or bigger than the beam and girder is connecting here. So based on that one, I'm going to divide into different part. So let's make it first end column, those bigger column, and other just column, and just hit enter. We're going to have girder, or you can say girder, and you're going to have beam, and you can have braces to resist the wind load. For the shapes, actually I'm going from the bigger sizes needed to the smaller sizes. You can choose this shape. Choose is like choosing the shape is generally depend upon your experience. You can choose any shape, like this how will do, like if you need bigger or smaller sizes. How, like this is the analysis, so you can go through hit and trial. So I'm going to make a little bit big choice at the okay, let's go from 24 by 9 24 by 94 for the encoding. You can choose any of those. So the column will be a little bit smaller than the bigger column, so I'm going to choose just 21 by 93 here. And girder, again, let's go to 21 size, 21 by 44. And beam can be a little bit smaller than the girder, because the load area, the tributary area for the load is a bit less as compared to that one. So we selected 21 by 44, so let's go on, not too big size. Okay, let's go on 18 by 60 86. You can choose any one, like it's up to you for the front. Okay, let's choose braces are going to be very small, so let's choose 10 by 22. Here you are going to assign the type of your members. Actually, this is our column, so you can just click on this one and select the column. This is also column type, this is beam type, this is okay, this is also beam type. And here this is the vertical brace, actually vertical brace type. All are wide angle, wide flange angle. So if you have any other, you can choose from here. And material, normally for the column and beam, where we generally use A992 with the Fy value of 50 and the ultimate stress value of 65. So let's choose A992 for this. Yes. And for braces, normally people use A36, or if you want, you can choose any of those. For the design rule, we'll talk about this one later. So now you can just cancel it. Risa 3 will save your section set already. So now we can start with drawing our member. There is a draw new member icon here at the left corner of your screen. Click on that one, and here you can draw in member interface in the two way. Just assign the section set, or you can just draw right now here. So normally, but if you assign the section set, that will be easier. I'll tell you why later. Just click on this one. We're going to draw the in column. These are the section set that we assign. In column, click apply here, and just start drawing from the node. So this will be our in column. So this is also going to be our in column, and there is one column here, right? So click on draw member again and change this one to column, and click apply and draw one column here. And this is our girder, this is our beam. There will be, this is two stories, so there will be another beam here. So let's go to girder. First draw the girder and click apply and click here. You can go again and go to beam, click apply here, and we're going to draw the beam on this section here, right? So this is our XY axis of our member. You can just click on the isometric view here, which will give you the isometric view of your structure. It will be more easier to understand of our structure in 3D here in isometric view. So if you go and see your project statement now, you have this part. So we are going to make the longitudinal axis here. Risa 3D has a very nice application on that one because we can just copy your structure to the other parts. So here if you see up to span here is 105 and there are 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. There are 6 spans, like there are the column in the middle. So 105 divided by 6 is 17.5. So let's go and copy these structures to the 17.5. There is one icon here with a one, like one frame with the other frame, it looks like a. Just click on that one. This is for the copy, and in z axis we are going to copy at 6 span at the rate 17.5, right? But one thing you need to remember here is our z axis is this side, so not on that one. We are going to copy on that side, so you just need to make it negative here. So apply here. Now you have copied your structure from here to the 6 other parts. So we are done up to here. So now we have to make a column here and then extend it to up to here, right? So for that one, we need to divide these members, or we need to find out one point here, right? So for that one, I'm going to show you a quick way to do that. So like easier way is, let's make a member here, whichever member. We are going to delete that one later. So let's make a beam here of this size, and then let's divide these members. Risa 3D has a easiest very easy way to divide the member. Click on the draw member again, go to the split member, and here we are going to divide into the half, right? Click on the equal pieces and type it 2, and it says in the second one here, it says like actually split. No, we are not going to do that one. We are just going to find the point where we can draw the column. So apply into all selected. These all are selected. Okay, so if you click on that one, like all are going to divide. So keep on this one, like keep increase by clicking the member individually. Click apply and click on these 3 beams, so we can draw a column here. And we don't need this beam, right? We just draw that one for the reference. So this icon is to delete here. Click this one and delete on the clicking them individually. Apply here and just click on this member, so you can delete this one. So now we can draw our column over there. Go to draw member, click on the column, apply, and then it's draw over here again. So now we just need to copy this part to that to extend that one, right? Let's see the project statement again. So here we have 45, but there is one column in the middle, so there is 2 span of 45 divided by 2, that is 22.5. Okay, let's go to Risa 3D again, and we just need to copy these 2 only, because here all the structure is select. So there is one nice in Risa 3D. What you can do is, there are the icons here. These 4 white icons are to deselect. You can just go like put your cursor there, it will tell you how to do that one. And these 4 cursors in black are to select the members. So this is going to unselect like all the structure that you have drawn. Just click on that one. And there is another easiest way, like you can just click on the one member to select and deselect again. So we are going to copy this column and these nodes. For this one column we have divided here, right? This is the 2 columns, so let's just copy the nodes, and we are going to draw the end column over there. So now we are going to copy this one to that axis. So click and copy. As I said before, that is 2 span at the rate 22.5, but don't forget to put negative here again and click apply. So it's copied here. Now we can draw the end column to join these nodes. Click on that one and select on the end column, click apply, and just join these nodes to draw your end columns. So our end column is also ready. So now you can select all select all the member by selecting on this icon. So now column is ready, and now we are good to go for the girders and the beams. Girder is already drawn here, but girder need to be here. One thing I just wanted to tell you here is, in this case the girder is up to here, right? This is beam. So if you think the girder here will be a little bit longer and we want to use a different section size, you can do that one. But if you want to use the same side, you can do that one too. For here, okay, I want to show you how to use the another section set. Let's go to the spreadsheet again and section set. You can just add another one quickly, not a problem. Go and click the end girder and make a section set. We are expecting a little bit bigger size than this one, right? Just click on this one, 21 by 44. Let's go 21 by 45 and make it a little bit bigger. Okay, 21 by 50. Click that one. This is beam type. Click on that one and don't forget to make it a 992. Done. So now we are going to draw that our end girder. Click on the draw member end girder same way and just click here to here to draw your end girder. Okay, we are ready with the girder and column, so now we are going to draw the beams. Click on that one and again go to the beams. One quick thing here is in this structure what we are going drawing is like this is moment frame, right? But this axis we are going to make pin in. So for that one, it's easy to do before you draw. So for beam, just make it pin at the both in here. Click apply and then just start to draw. Click on each node to draw the beams. It's pretty easy actually. Just click on the nodes. There is beam here, so we are going to draw the beams here. Not here. Let's make beam here. Let's make beam here. There are beam in the first floor also. Let's make the beam here. You can just draw one beam and then copy that one. Also you can do that one. Here I just show how to draw, like in the I clicked on each step, but you can just draw one beam and copy, just knowing that this span. So our beam is also ready, but one quick thing I just want to show you here is if you go to the project segment, there is no beam in here, right, in the middle. So we are going to delete those actually. This one is not needed, this one is not needed actually. Okay, go to delete here, click delete on the items, clicking them individually. So this is one which we don't need, and probably there is no not in the first floor also. Okay, let's delete that one. And this is we don't need here, and this one is let's ready. So now we are ready with the column, beam and girder. The final thing that we are going to draw is braces. Let's click on the draw member again, go to the braces. For braces, the boundary condition will be pin in at the both pin at the both in. Wait, the one thing you need to be careful here is Risa 3D remembers the thing that you did previously. Okay, here it's already pinned at the both in. And one thing in the vertical braces, you just need to remember is it is not going to be two ways loading here. So it's just for the tension only. Click on that one, apply here, and then you are just going to you are good to ready to draw braces. Just click on this icon. We are going to have braces here to resist the wing load actually, and we are going to have braces at the end. And you can do up to yourself because this is the structural analysis. You are an structural engineer, so it's not hard and fast thing to do. So you can make your structure more economical and more stronger. That's the thing what we need to do. Okay, we are ready by drawing all the members here. I think, yeah, we draw all of the members that needed for our structure. And one thing you can, if you want to see the real structure type, like how your structure are oriented, how your W beams, like I say beam are oriented, you can click on this I structure here. Once you click this one, it will show you the different type of member. Like these are the columns, right? Blue are columns, and these your red ones are vertical braces. Like pink one is vertical braces, and the red ones are your girder. Your blue ones are end girders, and these your brown one are like gray ones or brown one, whichever. Like those are the beams that you have drawn here, right? So, and if you click again here, it will show you the 3D structure, like the real rendered view of your beam and column. You can zoom and see actually the how it looks like in the real, like how your column orientation. Like sometimes you might need to rotate this structure to make it more strong, right? So this is the complete structure that we draw for our project. So now this video is already 20 minutes, so I'm going to make another video for the applying the boundary condition, applying the loads, and doing the analysis of the load combinations, and provide the exact appropriate member sizes for these structures. Thank you guys. If you have any questions or about this one, like if you have any confusion there, like just drop a comment in the comment box below so I can reply you on the comment. Thank you.